We're going to put this all in a bowl, marinate our chicken thighs, and get them cooking. So get yourself a Ziploc bag, open it up. I have bone-in skin-on chicken thighs that I've trimmed up and just towel dried. Get them right into your bag. And then you want to pour that marinade right on in. And once it's in, seal the bag up and give it a shake. Let these sit 30 minutes before we get them on the grill or before you pan sear them. Now give them a good rub. I'm gonna use a cast iron, put just a little bit of oil on the bottom. I usually take a paper towel and just kind of hit all the edges. Oh yeah, that was the sound of perfection. Don't touch it, people. Do you hear me? Don't touch it. Let's go, 4 minutes on each side. Chicken thighs, flip them on over. Look at that beautiful crust. All right. Now we do them another 4 on this side. I'll pop them in the oven to finish up. Say hello to my chicken. Out of the oven in the cast iron. And you know what I think we're gonna do? We're gonna top it with that beautiful corn and cucumber salsa. Put this right on the table. You get some of the acid from the vinaigrette right in those natural juices. This looks amazing.